Hi, folks. It's Ron from Tigertown here. I'm alive, I'm alert, and I feel great. Apparently, you did a search for anti aging hormone replacement therapy. I've got an opinion here that aging is a disease, according to Dr. Ronald Klatz and the science writer Carol Kahn. There's the book they put together, Grow Young with Human Growth Hormone. Now, they stress the benefits of HGH. When our body's production of HGH starts falling off, aging typically begins. Some middle-aged people here, they look pretty vital. Little statement here, regain your lost vitality, muscle strength, lose excess weight. Yeah, well, there's been some clinical studies and experiments that have been done injecting people with HGH, and it's helped aging people to lose weight, increase their muscle mass, regain their lost strength and endurance. Studies have been done, clinical. You can see what it says here, very, very formally. Human growth hormone can restore sexual function, resharpen memory, and visual acuity. Now, you have to whisper what it says in the picture. It can help restore your sex drive and enjoyment for life. This book gives you advice on how to find an anti-aging doctor, where you can get hormone therapy, how you can boost your hormone production naturally through diet and exercise. There's the man, the author himself. He predicts that in 55 years from when he wrote the book, physical immortality will be a reality. Wow. And these things are happening over time. Medical science continually discovers new ways to reverse the effects of aging. Even severe age-associated afflictions like heart attacks and strokes. Now, under this video in the description, you can click on the words show more, and there'll be a link to my Amazon page where you can find out more or purchase that book. You can order this, it's a hardcover. It's like new. There it is again. By the way, a little self-promotion here. While you're under the video looking for things, why don't you hit the big red subscribe button so you can get more of these titillating, information-packed videos. Or just give me a thumbs up if you like this one, or make a comment either way. Bye for now.